Hmm.
Yes, yeah,
So, I'm writing some questions here. You can see we have done this one before. This topic. Can you solve it? Can you start? This is
okay,
solve
sir.
the initial value problem e to the power of x into cos y dx minus. I want to see how much you can do it. Sin y. It's not difficult problem. We have already completed this type. The condition is y of 0 is equal to 0. Just before starting solution, just check it whether we have done this one or not before.
Okay, sir. This is one, sir, exact and
Yes,
non-exact,
yes,
right?
yes. Exact or non-exact, we can't say that. It is from exact
Yeah,
differential
yeah.
equation concept.
Yes, sir. So that's it. No, sir, we haven't done this.
We'll start and just do it. I'm
Okay, sir.
writing some past papers. This is 2022 question paper. This question is given in 2019. Under what condition you can start working on these problems? If you can do it, well and
Okay,
good.
sir.
Otherwise, I'm here. Under what condition the following differential equation is exact? Here the condition, the problem, exact differential equation is f of x plus d of y dy. F x plus d of y dx plus h of x plus d of y and of dy. One more condition, one more problem I got. Solve. the differential equation y dash plus 4xy plus xy cube is equal to 0.
So for this first one, since E of X is there, so we will take it on
Multiply.
the right side and
Yeah,
or
multiply
multiply.
for both of the terms. Yes. Are you getting, or shall we start doing that?
No, I'm getting this answer. But I don't know the second one. Sir.
Okay, no problem. First one you got it. Tell me the
No,
final
sir,
answer.
no, sir, I'm doing. Sir, it's not exact, right? Dou M by
No,
dou
no,
Y is
it
EX.
is exact. It is exact. It is exact. I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay.
Dou M by
Yes, it is satisfying the condition. Dou m by dou y is equals to dou x by dou y. Let me do it. The solution of this question number 1. Okay, look at that. Let me reduce some steps by multiplying e power x here for both of these two terms. E power x cos y dx minus
minus
e power x sin y dy is equal to 0. It is obviously mdx plus ndy form. So then what do you say? What about m? E power
EX
x
cos
cos
Y.
y. So then if you start differentiating with respect to y, we're getting the derivative of cos y is minus sin y. That's what minus e power x sin y
Yes.
here. Now moving to the next, the value of n will be minus e power x sin y. Now what we do here is we have to differentiate this one with respect to x. With respect to x.
Yes, sir.
So that e power x is e power x only. How you are getting not equal? Same answer I'm getting now. See, condition of exactness
Sir, how
satisfied.
did the no. Sir, the sin Y will not change into cos Y.
Why? With respect to x we are doing now. Here with
Okay,
respect
so
to y,
this
with respect to
sin Y will not, yeah, sin Y will not cancel like V0 because Y is there, no, there's no X term.
अभी तक आपको ये टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आया इसका इसका मतलब आपको अभी तक डेरिवेटिव समझ में नहीं आया अभी तक का इतना
And
प्रॉब्लम जो करे आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 5x
phi X, phi X is phi.
Why not 0? Because constant, no? X is 1, constant is 0. So multiply both of these two, answer is 0. Why not like this?
No, because 5 into 1 is 5.
Same story for e power x sin y. Multiple terms. E power x differentiation is e power x only. Sin y as it is.
Hmm.
Like example 5x means derivative of x is 1. 5 as it is.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Please try to get the concept clearly.
Okay, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir. I got it. Understood, sir.
Okay. Now moving. Next. So condition of exactness satisfied here.
Yes, sir.
Dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. So one is exact. Maximum 99% problems, you will get it where the condition will satisfy. The examiner, the university, they don't want to make the student in confusion. Rare case, it's a very rare case. One is exact. After confirmation that one is exact, do you know what we have to do?
Yes,
We simply write
MDX
the
plus
solution.
NT plus yes, integral
Integral of mdx
plus
plus
NDX.
integral of ndy is equal to constant. But still there
Yes,
will
sir.
be a restrictions when you are simplifying this one. It means that when you simplify, we have to treat y as a constant. This is your e power x cos y. Y is a constant means we should take before that only cos y outside
Yes,
e power x dx. We don't want to waste our time because this topic is already completed. Terms not containing x, we are getting only one term where x is involved. So we are not getting that means.
yes.
We are not getting such a term where x is not involved. X is involved everywhere. Now e power x integration is
Yes,
e
sir.
power x itself, and cos y, either you can write this side or this side, your choice, is equal to constant. But this problem is not completed here. Why? Because here some conditions will be given. What are the conditions you can see here? Y of 0 is equal to this 0 means
Yes, sir.
this 0 represent the value of x and y value is 2. So simply we should write
Yes,
here
sir.
x value is 0 and y value is 2. Okay. If x is 0,
Yes, sir.
e power 0 is 1. Yes, no? E power 0
Yes,
is
sir.
1. So once e power 0 is 1, yes, e power 0 is 1, you will get it cos 2, no?
Yes, sir. Constant.
Y value is 2. Let's cross it. It's not containing x. Okay, so x is 0 means e power 0 is 1, cos 2. Cos 2 कैसा आता है? Cos 2 कैसा आता है? तो लग रहा है ये क्वेश्चन गलत है. Cos 2 नहीं होता. We get some value. Y value is oh sorry, it is not 2. This is not, so it is 0 only. It is 0 only.
Okay, sir.
So when
Okay.
x is 0, y 0, if you put it here, e power 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, means your c value is 1. Right now?
Yes, sir.
E power 0 is 1, cos 0 is also 1. 1 into 1, c value is 1. Simply we should again write it, that is e power x cos y is equal to 1 is the answer. That's it. Because we're getting c value is 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what about the second one? Can you do it that?
No, second one I can't do it. So but I can do.
Yeah, very simple. इससे भी
Third one I
ज़्यादा
can do.
थर्ड वन आप नहीं कर सकते. Actually, sorry.
Second one I will try, sir. I can.
You want to try? It's very simple. You can try
Yes, sir.
means
I'm
you will
trying.
get it.
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
One by cos square.
Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, what's the answer? I got n is h of x.
Second question.
Yes,
Second.
sir.
Look at that. See, directly if you compare mdx plus ndy form,
Yes.
your value of m will be what?
F of x. F of
F of
x plus
x
g of y.
plus g of. Okay. Then if you differentiate this one partially with respect to y, what answer you are getting? You're getting the answer is g dash of y. Because x with respect to x, ये देखिए question में confuse कर रहा. F of x differentiation is f dash of x, but we are differentiating with respect to y. G of y differentiation is
Yes,
g dash of y. Similarly, n value is h of x plus
yes.
d of y.
Plus g.
D of y. This value we have to differentiate partially with respect to
Yes.
x means what you are getting? H dash of x. So
Yes,
what
sir.
question
Yes,
is asking? Under what condition the following differential equation is exact? Means if these two values are same, g dash of y must be equal to h dash of x, then only given differential
sir.
equation is exact. Then you can take, this is the equation number one. One is exact. Finished problem. Do you understand? Only the condition
Yes,
is
sir.
asking.
Understood.
If these two values are same,
Okay.
then the given differential equation is exact. That only becomes a condition.
Okay.
But this problem we will
Sir.
be taking a time. You can start working on this problem. This is y dash plus 4xy plus xy cube is equal to 0. You can start working on it. Come on. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes. Otherwise, I will do it.
Sir, this is under the exact differential equation,
No,
you
no,
mentioned.
it's exact. No, it's a linear differential equation. Already we have started linear, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That is linear problem, linear differential equation problem. If you want, I'll be doing that one. If you want, because I know that it is little different, little different. Look at that. This is question number 3. The question is y dash
Yes, sir.
plus 4xy plus 4xy plus xy cube
Plus.
is equal to 0. So when starting working on this problem, Y dash is nothing but it is the value of dy by dx plus 4xy.
Yes.
If you bring this value immediately, that side becomes minus xy cube. Okay. So now what is the standard form of linear differential equation? Can you tell me that? Come on.
dy by dx plus p
Plus p of y is
is
equal to
equals to
q.
q.
So tell me one more thing, whether you have done this problem before in your college?
Mm. Mm.
No?
Right. No, sir.
Integrating factor. E power, मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ ultimately, whether this problem is there in your syllabus or totally different I am doing.
Yeah, no, this is the delta. This is
That's
the
what I'm asking. P dx, p value is 4x, so 4 outside, x dx. This is e to the power of 4 as it is. X integration is x square by 2. Then 2 and 2 will be cancelled. We are getting e power 2x square is our integrating factor. Up to here, any doubt?
yes, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir.
So
No.
let us go for what we do next step. We have to write the solution, but solution is also not that much of easy. You have to do little work here for solution. Yeah, look at the solution is what is the solution? Y into integrating factor
Integrating factor
is equals to integral
is equal to
q into
q into
integrating factor
integrating factor
of dx
yes plus p.
plus c. Y into integrating factor we are getting as e power 2x square here is equal to integral of q value is minus xy cube. Minus xy cube. Integrating factor is e power 2x square into dx. We should add the constant later on. Y into e power 2x square is equal to, since we are integrating with respect to x, so there is no work for y. So along with the minus sign, we can pull it out. We are getting x into e power 2x square
2x square.
dx. Now the question arises, how we are integrating these two terms? For that, we have to use the substitution method. Intermediate MPC say enough.
Yes, sir.
Now put substitution method we are applying. That's what I'm asking. Put 2x square is equal to t. Why 2x square only? Because 2x square is repeated. E 2x square repeated. E must be as it is. I don't want to take e. Now differentiate on both sides.
Okay.
2 is as it is. X square differentiation is 2x. Dx is
Yes, sir.
equal to dt. Now I want x dx value only. So then bring 2 to the 4 that side. Why x dx only? Because x and dx I required. That's what. Okay. Now simply all these values, if you put it in our question, this yellow color will become no changes in this right hand side. I don't want to change it. This is equal to minus
Left-hand
y
side.
cube left hand side. Integral as it is x dx. This x dx can be written as dt by 4
dt by 4.
into e to the power of 2x square can be written as t. Again 4 is not having any work, so pulled it out. Y into e power 2x square is equals to minus y cube divided by 4 integral of e power t dt. This is y into e power 2x square is equal to minus y cube by 4. Integration of e power t is e power t only, like e power x is e power x. Now you can add the constant. finally, our answer is e power 2x square as it is minus y cube by 4 also as it is, and e to the power of t value is 2x square. And then
Yes.
finally plus c. अगर ये क्वेश्चन में कहीं कंडीशन रहता तो दैट विल have to put the condition. No condition, so problem will be completed here only. एक बार स्टार्टिंग से आप देख लो फिर
Okay. So, sir, whenever we are substituting, we have to first take this 2x, like in this question now, 2x square is equals to dt. Then we have to
depending
solve,
upon the question,
differentiate
every
it,
time not 2x
and
square, depending upon the
yeah,
situation.
yeah,
कौन सा term
depending on
repeat
that.
हो रहा,
So
which
we need
term
to
is
always,
repeated?
okay, we need to
Okay,
always differentiate it
yes,
in the second.
always differentiate.
Okay,
Substitution method means we have to differentiate always.
okay. Yes, and no doubt.
No doubt.
Mm, no doubt, sir.
So the next question will be
Yes, sir.
is again from Bernoulli. So we start making and go for Bernoulli. Sometimes in exam they may ask you define linear differential equation. Means you have to write the working rule of the linear differential equation.
Okay.
Differential equation का
Yes, sir.
कभी कभी definition भी जैसा कि for example what is exact, students are neglecting to go for that, but sometimes in exam only the definition will be okay. एक और क्वेश्चन मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. Wait. क्वेश्चंस में आपको 4-5 क्वेश्चन एक साथ दिखा देता हूँ. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
कौन सा करेंगे, लीनियर कंटिन्यू करेंगे ना, लीनियर कंटिन्यू करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए नेक्स्ट. क्वेश्चन इज you can start solve.
Okay, sir.
It's a very simple question I'm giving you, and I hope you can do it. This one, dy by dx
Okay, sir.
plus y tan x, y tan x is equal to sec x. dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to sec x. Very simple question, don't take much of time because I don't have the time also. Let me do it. This one we have to compare directly with the dy by dx plus p
Formula.
of y is equals to q, which is the standard form of linear differential equation. So you can see you have to compulsory separately you have to write p value is tan x, q value is sec x. Now we should go for integrating factor, that is e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral p value is tan x. What is the integration? The student will be struck off here only. Integration of tan x. What is that? What is that? Log, mod,
Sir, sir, your voice is breaking.
huh? Okay, wait. Integration of tan x is log mod sec x.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now it's okay. Is it okay now? Integrating factor is e power sec x, but this one, if you continue, e and log becomes 1. So your answer will be sec x only. Need not to write here modulus. Sec x is your integrating factor. Now simply write down the solution. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integral of q into integrating factor of dx plus c. So then y into integrating factor is sec x is equal to integral.
Yes, sir.
Q value is what? Where is that? Yeah, sec x only. And integrating factor one more time. So sec square x dx. So simply y sec x is equals to integration of sec square x will be. You should remember the formula thoroughly. Then only this problem will become easy for you. That's the answer. Only 3 steps. P and Q we have to identify.
Okay, sir.
Integrating factor, and then simply write the solution and finish the problem.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. I think this is the correct time to go for Bernoulli because I didn't find any different questions here. So this is done. After that, we have to go for Bernoulli differential equation. So Bernoulli equation is nothing but another form of linear difference. I think इसका reverse form भी अपने को एक questions करना पड़ेगा. I'm searching that I'm not getting that questions. Yeah. Searching कर रहा हूँ. Reverse form of linear we have to do it like this one. dy by dx का reverse form dx by dy plus px is equal to q. The reverse form py नहीं होता px होता. That's the question. क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ मैं, ये आपको ऐसे करना है.
Okay, sir.
So try, you can definitely get it. तो आपके सिलेबस को आपने को एग्जैक्टली बोले नहीं, सिलेबस कौन सा है आपके? एग्जैक्ट, नॉन एग्जैक्ट,
Yes,
लीनियर,
sir.
बर्नौली और क्या क्या है उसके बाद?
Yes, for arc length, something. They didn't send the handout, sir. I asked my sir to send it. I'm waiting for him to send. Then I will forward it to you.
No, higher order is also there. Higher order differential equation. Can you send it
Yes,
your
sir.
syllabus once again?
Yes, sir. I'll send it to you.
Yeah,
No, that
please.
one, the one I sent you, sir, it changed a bit, so I'm waiting for the new one.
Mhm. Oh, that one only. Please send it to me because I think it is not there in my system.
Okay, okay, sir. I'll send it.
The same thing you have to
Okay,
send it to me
okay,
because I think after the linear Bernoulli, then immediately we have to go for higher order differential equation. That's what
okay.
I'm searching. Which order we have to go? So you got the idea of the linear and exact, non-exact.
Yes, sir.
Next class, I will search some question related to the reverse form. We'll do it tomorrow. One more session for
Okay,
reverse form of linear differential equation. Then only I can move on to the Bernoulli.
okay,
Understand?
okay, sir.
Okay. So then, till that, we'll stop the class. Please send me the syllabus. Accordingly, I'll prepare for the tomorrow's class. Right?
Okay,
Okay, right. Fine. Thank you.
thank you.